delicious, easy nut milk cashews. These are raw cashews. I buy the pieces and the halves. And they have been soaking since yesterday. That is very important that they soak so that they are really soft and it blends smoother. Okay, so I'm going to drain this water off and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So it was drained and rinsed. The reason you want to rinse cashews or any nut is because they contain leptins. Now, when you soak, you're basically sprouting them, even though you can't see any sprouts. You've activated the aliveness because they're seeds, you know, nut seeds. They're alive. Anyway, I only use filtered water. I have a Berkey filter. You don't need anything fancy. It's a pour through. I've had others, reverse osmosis. They waste water. This is just, it's a beautiful, simple machine. And as far as I'm concerned, the best thing you can own. You can take it anywhere. Anyway, we're just going to add a small amount of water. And blend. Excuse me. I don't want to add too much. If you add too much to start, it will be lumpy. Now I'm scraping down just the few pieces that ended up being spit up onto the sides. Excuse me for bumping the camera. So I had it on low to start with a little bit of water. You gradually increase the speed, gradually add more water, and then you increase the speed. So that's what we're going to do. And it's noisy, so I'll be back in a second. It looks good. Okay, the other cool thing about this is you can use it as cream, you can use it as milk. You just add more water to get it to the desired consistency. So we're going to go with that. This is vegan, obviously. Okay, there is no animal product in this. There are live nuts. Anyway, it's that simple. Soak, drain, rinse, blend, get to the desired consistency that you want, refrigerate and serve. You can even freeze it. This is the other half of the cashew cream video, and this cashew cream was frozen. I wanted to see what it did. Now, when I first thawed it out, it had separated a little bit, but all it really took was a good shake. And it's very close to where it was when I first made it. Now we're gonna complete a recipe that takes a cup, and I don't know if we're quite there. We are not. Anyway, mainly this was to show that cashew milk cream, whatever consistency you make it, can indeed be frozen. Now, I wouldn't freeze it and use it as a beverage to drink, but as an ingredient, it is so good. It is fine. You can indeed do it. All right, so we're just gonna give it a quick whiz. to confirm. Yeah, there's a little bit of coagulation in it, but just a little bit. So like I said, perfect as an ingredient. Would not recommend to drink as a milk. All right, loves, thank you.